Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So today I wasn't going to talk that much about the 714 method, how the trade went. Now obviously first TP has already been hit, but one of my students actually sent me this. Now he did not get into the trade because price already tested it. So he wanted a confirmation which he did not get, but he could have been in a marvelous profit all the way up to this zone, right? Now, yes, the reason why I got into this trade was I was already expecting it around this zone right here because this was a market structure shift. So this is a last order block, a very strong order block. And yesterday I talked about how I wanted price to come to this zone so that I'll start buying, which is this level right here. So obviously today price did come to it yesterday night, and at the end of the day, or at the beginning of actually Asia session, price took off, went all the way up, right? I took my first TP around 60K before price started shooting all the way back down. And this is the trade right here. Now, why did I get into the 714 method? Aside from me expecting to trade right here, what I could also see was, as you can see, price came all the way down and tested it inside the zone. But we can also see a reaction from this level, price sweeping the liquidities below the sellers, right? And coming all the way up, closing in this bullish move right here. This is always showing that buyers are strong in the market. This always shows that buyers are strong in the market. So all I had to do was just wait to see how sellers are going to react. I can see that buyers started coming in. Sellers tried, but they couldn't. They reversed all the way back up, right? So during this reversal, I already know what is happening. I know price is going to continue pushing all the way up. Moreover, I was already expecting it. So if you did not get a trade today, and it's because you were waiting for price to do what? For price to give you a much, much more reasonable entry for you to trade. It is not a problem. It's not every day that you're going to get into a trade, right? And the most important thing is you were actually following the strategy, which I'm very, very happy about. So you still have to be happy because even though you did not get a trade from there, but at least you did not also lose anything, right? So yes, you were actually following that plan, which is very good, and there's no need for you to be worried about you not getting a trade right there. Yes, it could have been a very good trade because it went up marvelously, but also you could have also lose right. Now I didn't know how to execute here, so that wasn't really a problem, but you could always wait.